last year I decided to go ahead and throw in a bunch of leftover tomatoes and tomatillos that were in the garden into this pile right here, as you see in front of me, to see what would self-seed and plant for me. And what has successfully planted a lot of, which always does such a great job in the garden, is the tomatillos. So I have left them here. The bugs are actually getting to them, but they keep growing and flourishing, and there's lots of blooms. So I'm actually just going to leave them, even though it's like a total chaos mess going on right here. But I'm going to go ahead and leave them and see how much that they produce for me. So it's kind of fun to see, just throwing stuff here, and it just self-seeded. And we're going to see what we can get from it this year. So we've got some, I don't know what that is. Some sunflowers, some good looking tomatillos. Plus, you know, I have a lot of tomatillo plants, and if the bugs decide to eat these instead of my other plants, that's okay too. Got to sacrifice some things sometimes. And then we've got my asparagus here that's going to seed. And so that's been really good. I have some onions here that are on their second year that are going to go ahead and end up turning to seed that I will seed save from and plant for next year for onions. And that over there is my garlic that is doing wonderful.